Jinnah Postgraduate and Medical Centre Karachi serves the most vulnerable members of our community. More than 1.5 million patients seek treatment at JPMC every year, and the demands of its capacity and facilities is constantly growing. Patients Aid Foundation was founded in 1990 to meet this public healthcare challenge head-on. With investments in new buildings, latest medical equipment, trained staff, and optimum physical space, we want to provide for those in need the best care that we all deserve. Patients Aid Foundation is largely funded by donors and led by a strong commitment to ensure your funds help those who need it the most. Patients Aid Foundation has experienced significant growth over the last decade, rebuilding, improving and establishing world-class infrastructure and medical equipment free for all. Patients Aid Foundation has supported many departments including the medical ICU, nephrology, chest ward, ophthalmology, and clinical pathology. The blood bank at JPMC has been supported by the Patients Aid Foundation so that it uses the most advanced technology to completely meet the hospital's need for clean, screened blood. The radiology department, completed in 2014, serves 1,800 patients every day with cutting-edge diagnostic equipment including mammography and DEXA scan in state-of-the-art facilities. The newly built OPD and surgical complex is a 600-bed facility with 20 operating theatres and an outpatient department serving 4,000 patients a day. This has significantly added capacity and reduced waiting time for treatment.
JPMC and the Patients Aid Foundation have been working in complete harmony with each other since the year 1990. They are working for the downtrodden people of the society. I think whatever they are doing in this hospital has refaced the hospital completely, and a new hospital is now being seen with the help of the Patients Aid Foundation.
JPMC's Accident and Emergency Department receives the largest number of emergencies compared to any other centre in the country. Patients Aid Foundation has helped refurbish this department and equip it with much-needed X-ray machines and an operation theatre. Patients Aid Foundation has established a dedicated first response facility for patients with head injuries that is equipped with advanced medical technology and expertise to provide the highest level of care. CyberKnife and PET-CT are a public-private partnership of Government of Sindh and Patients Aid Foundation. CyberKnife is a painless and non-invasive robotic cure for early-stage cancer. Our donors have made it possible for us to establish the only facility in the world that offers this treatment absolutely free of cost. Over 8,000 sessions have been conducted so far, and we are putting up a second CyberKnife. Cyclotron is a mandatory tool for early diagnosis and management of cancer. The facility at JPMC is jointly owned and operated by the Government of Sindh and Patients Aid Foundation. Over the last 2 years, more than 5,000 patients have been treated from all over Pakistan. We are now focusing our efforts on a number of new projects, such as Jinnah Food Complex and CyberKnife, including a comprehensive diagnostic and cancer research facility. Work for these have already begun, and the institute should be operational by 2021. As valued donors, you understand to provide this kind of treatment and facilities absolutely free, we require funding that is more important now more than ever. Help us save lives. Donate generously today to the Patients Aid Foundation, where humanity meets healthcare.